we can afford to lose money. Hyman, I didn't receive my package, but they just said they delivered. Hyman, where's my hair package? They say they delivered to me, but I don't get it. Please help me to contact DHL. Hyman, FedEx, can you give me the FedEx number? I don't receive the FedEx package. Please. My package was lost. My package was lost. Do you know what happened to me for the week? For the crazy world. My customers keep sending me message, saying to me, they didn't get the hair package. And finally, thanks God, finally they all got the hair package back. You know what happened? And today one of my customers sent me a message telling me that she has issues of receiving the package. And let me tell you what happened now. And please subscribe, save this video, because this video can help you to understand why sometimes the hair package is lost. Actually, the package is not lost because some people are doing the sneaky things. I want to say thank you for this customer telling me the secrets when the drivers are delivering the hair package to customers. Subscribe and save this video, follow me, and learn from the tips. Can save your money. She said at the beginning the system shows the package was on the track for delivery, and now they said they were too busy to deliver. The system showed the package is out for delivery, and when my customer called them, they will say, now it's too busy to deliver. It's very, very strange, I'm telling you. Keep following, let's continue. I said, well, it happens the same thing for my other customers in Ireland and UK, in other countries, and I know now what happened in the past to me. The thieves has been so bad because they know we have vendors send the hair package through DHL and FedEx. The hair is so expensive, and our hair quality is very good. They know we send through DHL and FedEx. They do things like this to get a package in limbo. They get a package in limbo. That means they slow the package in somewhere, and claim that the package is lost. And actually, no, they do this on purpose. And that's what my customer would say would do with FedEx because she never had problem with FedEx. But actually, it's the same thing. It's just whether you are lucky or not sometimes, because I had problems with DHL and FedEx before. And she tells me a secret. Her sister is working at the delivery mail system, and for the past years she has been seeing some people are doing the sneaky things, very, very bad people, because they know the we ship the hair through DHL and FedEx package, and she now will require to pick up the hair package at the facility. Sometimes if you receive a message from a personal number, do not click any links, because they want you to take off the signature required. They want you to take off the signature required. Do not click any links. Once you see the number is from personal. In China, our official number, the shipping company in China start with 400. So if you see any personal number, I will screenshot to show you. Don't click any links. My customer required them to return the package to the facility she wants to pick up at the facility. Since my customer is working at a full-time bank job, she has been dealing with scamming, stealing every day, so stressful and ridiculous, I'm telling you. What happened? She said, at my bank job, we deal with so much scamming and stealing. They are stealing thousands of dollars from people and businesses. I now understand why sometimes my customer want to send money to me to buy the hair. The bank workers stop them and say, no, this probably will be a scam. Dealing. We don't allow you to send money in this way. So sometimes my customer will find other way to send me money. Themselves, the thieves will steal the check bags out of the mail and drive and writing themselves check to deposit the cash or using the account numbers from the checks to set up electric transfers. It's very, very bad. I always tell my customer, in the past, I actually posted one video to remind my customer, do not wait at home, say, okay, they will deliver the package to me, I just wait. No, I suggest you to call them to arrange a time with them, what time they're going to deliver the hair to you. You cannot afford to lose so much money. It's all money. They know we ship the hair through DHL and through FedEx and DHL package. They know it very well, some drivers. So we can afford to lose money. You arrange a time with them. Hey, what time are you going to deliver the hair to me? If you see the system shows they are out for delivery, and you call them immediately. Or it's better, if the facility is close to you, it's better you go to pick up at the facility. It's very, very important. After you ship so much hair and it's too much money. And when you buy this amount of hair, it's too much money to you. It's very, very important. Very important. My island customers say, they keep calling the shipping company. Hey, when are you sending back my hair package? I will file a claim with you guys. One of my customers finally got the package at the post box, Another customer got the other day. The other day she saw the package at the post box too. You see, at the beginning they said the hair was delivered at the beginning, but they didn't receive any package. You see, and they kept calling them. At the beginning, check everywhere, every backyards, front doors, neighbors, everywhere they check. The other day, the next day, they saw the package at the post box. Because some driver, they kept the package. They kept the package or they do it in a limbo in somewhere and say, the package already delivered. They didn't receive anything. I hope this video can help you. Also, you share this video. It's better you share this video to your friends and to your family because they are using the hair. Probably they are receiving hair package every day. You know what I'm saying? Too much money. You can help them. Share this video to friends around you, to people you trust. Hope this video is very helpful to you.